We can start now. Hi, and thanks a lot for joining today's meeting.
Sir, thank you very much to invite me.
Okay, that's great. Thank you, Abhishek. And first of all, congratulations for getting placed.
Thank you, sir.
Great. And you can tell us the company in which you got the job and which location and what is your kind of job role.
Yes, I got the placement to Tudip Technologies as a technical support engineer. It is in Pune, Hinjewadi Phase 3.
Okay, that's great. And let's talk about yourself, little bit about yourself, like what degree you have finished and you're from which location, and basic information about you, like what your father and mom are doing, all those things.
Actually, I have completed my BTech in ENTC from MIT Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. And about my parents, my papa is teacher, my I is housewife. And about my brother, he's a food tech engineer at Gujarat. And sir, that's a hobby. And one more thing about me, sir, I like writing also. And
Sorry.
sir, during the sir, course, sir, Tabul sir motivated me for the writing, sir.
Sir.
Sending your shayari story on WhatsApp group. It will
Okay.
increase your channel.
Correct, correct. That actually helps you in coming out of that boundary, and you can like more interactiveness.
Yes.
Great. That's great to hear. Now, to start with a thank you note, I will be giving you 30 seconds time now. So you can talk about Network Rhinos, about your training experience, all those things. Like who is your trainer, where do you study, how was your training experience, and how did you got your job? Like 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can talk about that now.
Okay, sir. Also, thank you very much. I'm really lucky to join the Network Rhinos because, sir, a boy without a job is really difficult to face. I completed a BTech. Then my friend Prasad told me to join Network Rhinos. It will be really helpful. As I be honest, I rejected more times for a network engineer profile. But when I joined the Network Rhinos, I got to know about the network, computer network and securities, all the fundamentals of computer network. What is VLAN, VTP, STP, what is routing, switching, how to configure a router with the console cable, how to do it. I want to know about this because of Network Rhinos. Yes.
Okay, that's great. And how about your trainer? Who is your trainer and how he
Yeah,
was?
sir. Actually, I have a three trainers, sir. One is you, Rahul sir, and Konraj also, sir. They are also helping me.
Okay, that's actually great. Right. So to start with, how did you hear about Network Rhinos for the first time? Like you saw in Google or ads, and how do you know about us?
Yeah, so first my friend told me, Prasad, he joined Network Rhinos. Then I go to LinkedIn, then I go to Instagram and search comments, what are the people talk about the Network Rhinos, what are the good things. Then after 2 days, I met Konraj. Then ask some my queries about the network placement jobs. He cleared my all the queries regarding the placement, how the network trainer is going to help you for the joining any organization, any MNC. Likewise, then I joined and I got to know how you are going to help your student. So yeah.
Okay,
And
that's
also, sir, one more thing. I also attend one seminar. I think you joined, sir, and I'm really thankful to that. One of the greatest day of my life, sir.
when the job meeting wala seminar which we conduct.
Sorry, sir.
Which seminar is that? The job meeting seminar which we
Job meeting I have conducted on a basic fundamental computer network.
Okay, understood. Got it. That's great. That's great to hear. Next, what was your first impression about Network Rhinos when you joined? Like, what you thought? Like, will I be able to study properly or not? Or will I get the job or not? Like, what was your first impression when you came to our office?
The first impression about the Ganpati Bappa. The Ganpati Bappa state is really beautiful and it will give a positive environment. And Rahul sir is really friendly to everyone, sir.
Okay.
Whatever the question I ask him, he replies me, sir. What it's really, it's like a Chinese question. He used to answer me. I used to ask him, sir, can you tell me about the ping command? I know it's really a basic question, but he used to answer me in a detail. That's
Okay.
the one thing I really impressed by myself.
That's great, actually. Great to hear.
And when I came first day, I met you, and you are really friend with me. That's my impression.
Yeah, we make sure students are very comfortable when they study. There should not be like a teacher and student, where student will be here.
I also like a friend, sir.
Yeah, that's what we also try to focus more on.
Because when friends teaches us, it will be a more understandable.
Yes, yes, we can talk freely at that time. That's actually a very good thing. Now, the next about the interview process. Like, how was your interview process in this company? How did you crack it? How did they called you, emailed you? After that, what are the routes of interviews you have gone through now?
So that was the off-campus drive. One of the institute organized the first was the GD round,
Hmm.
then group discussion, then the aptitude round, then three round is about the offline.
Hmm.
The third round is about the English grammar plus writing round. The remaining two rounds is all about the interview.
Okay.
The almost 600 candidate participated, but they only had two students.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great, 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 great. Good to hear that. So, next one, how was the quality of classes and teaching faculty at Network Rhinos?
They are really, really, really good, sir. Really good. Because I can't explain my words, but it's really good for me. Actually, I didn't get this knowledge on my college life. It's just about the some computer network. But I want to learn more about the computer network. Then I got to know some basics. No, not the basic details of the computer network, like routing, switching.
Yes.
I I'm confused about the OSP and BGP protocol.
That's the hardest
Yeah.
one to understand.
That's the hardest thing. I don't understand this properly, sir. So it's really a complex thing.
That's
But
all.
when sir told me, when taught me, I know I can configure the OSP protocol.
Okay. So you are part of Rahul sir's batch, and you also attended my class. So when did you actually started this training program? When was the date?
Uh,
A month or else? Which month you
I
started?
think September first.
This month you joined?
No, September, not
July.
August, I think.
August or July. Let me check. When did you join? July 27.
That
That group created.
actually,
Uh,
actually the batch started for first August, sir.
Acha, 1st August. That's
First
great.
August.
August, September.
Yeah, I enrolled on 27th
Okay,
July.
understood. So that's actually very good. Even I'm impressed. Like within 2 months, you got the job, you finish your training. Everything is like as per pre-planned one.
No. Yeah, actually, sir, one day I talked to Rahul, sir. He just told me, just try, just try, just try. One day you will get it. That will be a good day. That's a dollar from sir. I remember, sir. When I clear my GT round, sir told me this, just relax, and one day you will get it.
Okay, that's actually cool.
I think, sir, being an engineer, we have to be pre-planned.
That is also true. It's also true. So now, what do you think? So before coming to Network Rhinos, you might have checked out other institutes also. What difference you saw in us that you joined here?
Sir, can you repeat again?
Like you might have checked with other institution also, right? Before joining Rhinos. What extra thing or what positive thing you observed that you have chosen to go with our program of training?
The first thing about the eco-friendly environment.
Uh,
First, we have to check the comments on Google, sir. I checked one of the institutes in March only, sir. There are worst comments are there.
mm,
So I prepared don't go towards this institute. I have visited two more the institute, but they are not talking with the candidate friendly. They are talking with rudely, sir.
mm,
When I came here, the Ponraj really talked with a friendly. He used to solve me and give me a proper answer. What exactly happened?
okay.
That's the thing. Very impressive, sir.
Yeah, that's also true.
Uh,
I've observed this. Like a lot of students tell us that we try to give as much information about that particular course and job and everything. Then after that, student decide on that part. So we try to give you more information rather than pushing someone to just sell the course and make. It's not like that one. Which even I have observed. We got very good positive review for Pondraj when he explained about course and when he tried to clarify the doubts and all. That's actually very good.
Yes.
Yes. Now, next is your. How was your entire batch? Like you are part of one class, right? Rahul sir's evening or morning? Something?
Yeah. Batch.
Evening 7 p.m. batch. So how was
Yeah.
batch interaction? Like how do you feel the batch was, the entire batch was?
That was a really good batch, sir.
Mhm.
Everyone used to disturb sir again and again. So what is it? What is it? What is it?
Okay.
Even I was a classroom student.
Uh-huh.
I was trying to say, sir, I don't understand this concept. So please try it again. Please tell me again. Sir, within a 1 hour, sir used to solve our problem and used to cover the whatever the things sir have to cover.
Okay. That's actually great. Now, next is your career guidance and mentorship. So, how was your experience on career guidance, like resume building, Naukri profile building, LinkedIn profile building? Like, how was your career guidance given by Network Rhinos?
Sir, I still remember when I came here, I sent my one resume to Rahul, sir. He told me it's really a poor template, so change it. I will guide you how to design. Because most of the companies rejected our resume
Hmm.
just because of poor template. So
Correct.
guide me for the resume, how to design, how which template I have to use, eco-friendly, and how to create your profile on LinkedIn or Naukri.com, even it is in or every social media.
Hmm.
Then I started to adding my points on Naukri.com like VLAN, VT, PhD. I have add on my Naukri.com on LinkedIn also. I try to put my projects on LinkedIn, and that's the one thing sir guide me during during the last month. So that's how my resume was shortlisted, and I got this job.
Acha, that's actually great. Yeah, I also tell people to more active in online portal because we always feel job is like a job hunt. We are not sure in what direction we'll get job. Suddenly, someone will call and we get the job.
Because my one of my friend he also applied for same profile, but he got rejected.
Maybe he'll get job later.
Yeah, just
Yes.
because of network rhinos.
Thank you, man. Thanks a lot for that. Next, uh, what are the recommendations you give for the next batch students? So obviously, after you, a lot of people will join. So give us like some points why you tell those students to join Network Rhinos. What are the positive things you observe here, and also explain them like because this video will be watched by a lot of newbies. Now, what do you tell them how to apply for a job, like how to study, and why to join Network Rhinos? Like why do you say that?
First of all, sir, when people complete this meeting, they are confused about the placement, not good knowledge about the CCNA.
Ah.
Sir, why join the network rhinos? Because I already told you, sir, it has a good environment. They treat their students like a friends. Because if you want to gain more knowledge, proper knowledge, join network rhinos. Because they are not teaching you the theory knowledge. They are teaching the lab. What you are going to do in a real life in a company. That's the thing to join the network rhinos. Because during the last month, they taught me the theory knowledge as well as lab because lab we have to know the knowledge of practical
Hmm.
because I have only knowledge of theory. I can't put my knowledge because it's only a theoretical. But if I have a knowledge of the practicals, I can crack my interview quickly. That's the thing I got knowledge from the network rhinos. And about the jobs, they have to update on Naukri.com, LinkedIn, and any social media. Try to update jobs more because we are not select. Most of the time, we got rejected just because of poor profile or poor resume. That's the thing happen.
Yes.
First thing about the resume, we have to be a strong resume, strong profile. The thing is that. And second thing is about the patience. We have to take patience, sir. Because I know, sir, we will get rejection more times.
Yeah.
We have to be patient, sir, and try again and again until we will not get success. We will not get a proper job.
Okay.
The thing is learn from last month, sir, because I got rejection more times, sir. But when I got to know about my profile, what I done mistake uh, in my past, I corrected, I solved it, and I learned one thing in last month that if life gives a second chance to win, then fight until you win.
Oh, that's great.
And to my youngster, I just wanted to do not because they are providing a good job. No, don't join the network right. If you want to learn about the CCNA, then join. To be honest, sir.
Yes, yes, that's
That's
true.
the, because you will get the job. That's the truth, sir.
Correct, correct. That's
Uh,
actually true.
But actually true. But you have to gain proper knowledge because you have to update yourself.
Hmm.
That's the thing, sir.
Okay. That's great, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Abhishek, for joining this particular meeting. And
Thank you, sir, to join you. Invite me.
yeah, thanks a lot.